Welcome everyone. Today I want to demonstrate how to make a Saganaki, which is a beautiful meze or appetizer, and I'll be using a Greek cheese called Kefalotiri, which is a sheep's milk cheese, and it's one of the yellow cheeses which goes beautifully as a Saganaki. And in my other videos I'll also demonstrate using feta, but you can also use Kefalotiri, other different types of cheeses, but Kefalotiri is one of the most classic cheeses. So the process is, it's very simple. You need a bowl of warm water. You need your cheese cut to about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. And you just need some plain flour or all-purpose flour. And you need your pan with olive oil, which I've got heating up on the stove at the moment. So step 1, we drench the cheese in the water. And the reason for doing this is to allow it to get the flour to stick onto the cheese, because the flour is what creates that beautiful golden crust. So that's sufficient. We then press it onto the flour. Okay, and you'll see the flour will cake onto it. Okay, even if there's a bit extra, it doesn't matter. It'll form a nice coat on there. Okay, and now we'll take it over to the stove. Now, I've had this oil heating, I'll just put it back on the flame so it doesn't overcook. But basically, I've got some Greek olive oil, which is from Crete. Extra virgin is beautiful with this, and also for any other use in Greek cuisine. And I've got a plate here to place it on afterwards with some lemon wedges, because you need the lemon. It goes perfectly with this Saganaki. So the oil should be quite warm now. It's actually been on the heat for a while. I'll just place it in the oil now. Okay, and the secret with this is we will be frying it on both sides. And being a cheese, the most important thing here is actually having the golden coat at the end. The cheese will be molten inside, and it's not like cooking a meat which is raw, so you're not worried about having something that's undercooked. So we'll let it cook a bit on this side. And this cheese, as a meze, it's absolutely fantastic. Let me just raise the temperature a little bit. Now, the other cheeses you can use, as I said, is Kefalotiri and feta. I'll demonstrate the feta. The feta is a bit different, the technique. It is a wet cheese, and really it melts a lot quicker than the Kefalotiri. So as you can see, it's starting to fry nicely now. The important thing with this is to not turn it too many times, because you can actually disrupt the layer, the crust that forms on the outside. In Greece, in Athens, walking around Athens in the local restaurants or taverns there, this is one of the starters that you would have. Usually comes out with your lemon wedges on top. Usually there'd be a salad to accompany this. So it's getting very soft now, so I'll just carefully rotate this over. Okay, and we'll come back as this is ready to take off, so we'll come back shortly. Okay, the cheese has been cooking for another few minutes, and I think it should be ready to go now. It's formed a nice crust on top. Let's see if we can put it onto the plate. Flip it over. Oh, beautiful. Exactly what you want. So pretty much you've now got your Saganaki that's ready to serve. Okay, so presented with a couple of lemon wedges. Let's see what it tastes like. So we'll squeeze some lemon onto it. Typically you're liberal with a lemon. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Okay, that's lovely. Let me taste it. That is beautiful. Kefalotiri, enjoy it, and come back to see my other videos to see how to make the feta saganaki and what. Thank you.